Hey guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay, and after a short winter break, I'm finally back on YouTube. Over the last months, we worked very hard on our newest book. And here it is. If you want to learn more about LEDs, you should definitely check it out. But today I finally have the last part of the Iris von Everec cosplay making of series. Yay! I already showed you how I sculpted Iris' undead face, how I made the Ultracal mold, and how I made the latex prosthetic. And today I'm gonna show you how I painted it and also how to apply it to your face. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, you should check them out. Then let's start! This is the foam latex prosthetic I made. Latex prosthetics can be painted with alcohol-based colors or PEX paint. You can easily mix your own PEX paint with Pros-Aide and acrylic paint. The good thing about PEX paint is that it also seals the prosthetic. First I start with the underpainting. I go over all the deep areas with the dark brown before I later cover everything with a flesh color. Next, I start to seal the whole face with the flesh tone, which is also just self-made PEX paint. It's a very pale skin tone, but Iris is undead, so this is perfect. With a sponge and a brush, I added more shades and deepened some areas. I also added white highlights and always blend everything out with the sponge. As you can see, I always stay away from the edges because later when you apply the prosthetic, it is easier to finish up the edges and blend it in. A very important step on Iris was to bring more structure to the face and making it look spotty. Next, I use my Skin Illustrator colors, which can be activated with alcohol. With a fine brush, I painted on all the details. I really love to work with these colors because they are very easy to blend in. So, this is how the final result looks like. But the teeth were still missing. I made them out of deco art, which I dyed with acrylic paint. I just sculpted every single tooth and glued them on. And then it was time to apply the beauty. First, add Pros-Aide to the nose area and apply it to your face. Add more Pros-Aide to glue down the rest of the prosthetic. When it comes to glue down the edges, you can use the normal Pros-Aide or the Pros-Aide cream adhesive. The cream is great to correct imperfections. Take your time with the edges. After everything is glued down, apply powder to get rid of the stickiness. Now mix the same PEX paint colors you mixed before when you painted the prosthetic and apply it around the edge. For the final touch, take a brush and add some speckles with the alcohol-based colors. Yeah, Iris has no nose, so we painted my nose black. And then the makeup was finally done. thanks to Doll & Creative. She did an amazing job on all my different makeup looks we made this day. Oh yeah, I looked so awesome on this day. I think I never felt so pretty. Yep, I hope this helps you a little bit for your own projects. At the moment I'm also working on a prosthetic book, but we have a lot of projects coming in the next month, so I'm not sure when I will release the book, but I will keep you updated on this. This week I will finally start working on a new cosplay, and as always I will show you the whole progress in my videos. So if you don't want to miss that, just subscribe to my channel and then see you next time. Bye bye!